My people, how are they? This particular one is a very shocking one. APC don't give very dark man ultimatum. May it apologize to not just the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, but to the entire APC party for discriminating, or rather for calling out satanic Akpabio. And I remember say very dark man do video say with the continuous killings in Nigeria, Akpabio have the temerity, the guts, the mind to travel all the way to Pope where die. He go do oversabi there. Instead of to the visit community upon community to console with the people that have lost, the family of the people that have lost their lives in the hands of insecurity, terrorists, Fulani men. Now, APC don't give very dark man. Say, we give you between now to so time to apologize. If not, in fact, the video where very dark man do, where APC Tinubu people take command, so take very dark man say, your home is about to finish. Make una watch with very dark man.
All right, so the news says Senate President Akpabio in Rome for Pope Francis' burial. Shameful. Shameful. Senate President Godswill Akpabio is leading a 5-member Nigerian delegation to Vatican City to attend the funeral of Pope Francis, scheduled for today, Saturday, April 26, 2025. The delegation was appointed by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to represent Nigeria at the funeral rites of the late head of the Roman Catholic Church. Shameful. Shameful. What are you doing in Rome? You think your impact will be felt in Rome? If they release the list of the dignitaries who attend that funeral, they will not show you people's face. What are you doing there? Meanwhile, the people who fulfill your presence, your impact, your presence, you cannot go and see them. Tinubu did not open his mouth to say anything until he got back to Nigeria when they kill people for Jos, when they kill people for Benue. When as they talk now, Kwara State Ilorin, they buy them. Akpabio did not go anywhere. Okay, say Tinubu no dey country as at the time where all those buying they happen. Akpabio did not even wake up one day to say, you know what? As the Senate President, let me take this man too. Let me go and see all these people. Let me just travel around. You took how many hours trip? How many hours flight to Italy? The number of hours will take you to go Italy. You go don't go Benue, come back. In one day, you go touch down Benue, touch down Jos, touch down Kwara State, touch down Enugu. You go touch down Enugu, touch down Ogun. You go touch down Ogun State. All these states have been affected by the herdsmen issue, where a lot of people have lost their lives. But you leave the people where be say you did directly, where you dey influence directly. You go place where they don't send your papa. All in the name of what? For kamikaze, paparazzi. I don't know what kind of connection you are looking for. Pope where you no go greet when he dey alive. Now when he buy, you go greet him. I don't know whether a blessing you find. Pope where you go, where you no see everything they use it to do politics. Everything is politics. Everything. Like I said, they go check, they go print out all the people who come there last. They go snap picture of Vatican. All those people they go snap now. Main press. They will not see you Akpabio. You and the others where waste tonight. They will not see you people. Your people are here. People they buy every day. When I know they see them. When I never go visit anyone. Up till now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu never say, okay, you know what? I'm back in Nigeria. Let me go to Jos. I am back in Nigeria. Let me go to Benue. I am back in Nigeria. Let me go to Ogun. I'm back in Nigeria. Let me go to Kwara. I'm back in Nigeria. Let me go to Edo State. None of that. None of all the people when you carry yourself, you delegate people, may they go Italy. May God help us in this APC and Tinubu regime. May God help us. They have failed totally. They failed completely.
Waiting very dark man talk for this video. Now bad thing or na good thing? Calling out the number 3 man, the Senate President, reminding him what's supposed to be his duty to console with the deceased or the family of the deceased. that insecurity, terrorists, sinful and yes men have died in our country. Now, they are trying by all means to suppress very dark man. What's your take? It's a late night right here in Lagos. But what's your own take? Put on the comment section. This is NAIJA Media. Join us every blessed day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. We're talking about the things that's affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.